The HENGKO HG-602, an industrial-grade, compact, and portable online Dewpoint transmitter. Harnessing the latest in sensor technology, it delivers rapid, stable, and repeatable humidity measurements. Ideal for air compression systems, semiconductor manufacturing equipment, industrial drying systems, and other high-precision humidity control applications. When you need accurate dewpoint measurements in small compressed air dryers, plastic dryers, additive production, and other OEM applications, the HG602 stands out. Offering performance on par with imported brands, and even surpassing some metrics, it's a cost-effective choice you won't regret. Know more details? Welcome to contact us by email ka@henko.com or check our website www.henkko.com.